Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. 2-pack, Marathon 92010 Flat Free 20, Replacement. 2-pack 20, Flat Free Kart Tire Assemblies. Flat Free tires perform like air, but eliminate downtime. Tire diameter, 19.8 inch, tire width, 1.9 inch, hub length, centered 2.465 inch. Heavy-duty composite plastic spoked wheel is engineered to support 250 pounds. 3/4 bearings installed, an additional 5/8 bearings included. Designed to fit most Rubbermaid big wheel carts with spoked wheels. Check existing tire sidewall AMD measurements to ensure proper replacement fit. Please refer to How to Measure a Tire in images attached. Number 2. Set of 2-24x12.00-12 tire and wheel assembly. Set of 2. Can be used to replace 10931561, 109892, and many more. Compatible with Laser Z, Laser ZS series, and Z Master models. 4-ply tire with white rim. Number 3. Set of 2-20x12.00-10 lawn mower tire and wheel. Set of 2 wheels, tire and rim included. 4-on-4 bolt pattern. Compatible with 601347 and many more. Tires are 4-ply. Black rim. Number 4. 21426 front tire assembly replacement compatible. Tire, 15x6. 00-6 tubeless multi-track tread, pneumatic 4-ply rating, check your existing tire sidewall. Wheel, solid yellow steel, 3, offset hub, 3/4, sintered iron bushings. Load capacity is speed, 570 pounds, not for highway speeds. Use, replacement compatible with John Deere 100 and 300 series mowers with front tire size 15x6. 00-6, check sidewall. Low hassle, low cost solution to repairing or replacing your John Deere's riding mower tires. Check your existing tire sidewall for tire, hub and bushing size to ensure proper replacement fit. Number 5. 4-pack, 13, flat free tire and wheel, with 5/8 axle bore hole. Advanced 13, flat free tires and wheels. Elevate your equipment with our state-of-the-art 13, flat free solid tires. Crafted from anti-puncture polyurethane foam, these 13 tires and wheels are hassle-free, eliminating the need for air pressure checks or tire puncture repairs. The 4-pack set includes free metal washers. Precision-engineered 13 utility cart wheels. Upgrade your wheelbarrow with our meticulously designed 13 DX 3.15W tires featuring a 5/8 axle bore hole and a 2.17 offset hub length. These 13 wheelbarrow replacement wheels boast rubber,